Hi everyone, and welcome back to Learning with Dr. Nanhu. Today we are going to be creating our own birdhouses. So let's jump into what we'll need. So before we get into the materials, Lesson wanted to say hi. Okay, good boy. So for today, we are going to need a birdhouse, and we are going to need our paintbrushes. We are going to need our paint that comes with an additional 2 brushes. We are going to need super glue. We may not need this. This is only for if some of the pieces may not hold together. We are also going to need a cup, and we are going to need a pitcher of water. And so the water will be just poured right into the cup. So the first thing that we want to do is build our birdhouse. So once you take your pieces out, you can lay them out in this exact order. And so we're going to start from here and then work our way down. So I'm going to start with my first piece here, and I'm going to take this next piece and align it, then my next piece and align it. So it should look like this so far. Then I'm going to take one of the sides and I'm going to put it in as well and align it, and do the same for the next side. So now it looks like this. And then I'm going to take this next piece, and so make sure that the hole is at the top. I'm gonna align it and push them in. And do the same to the next side. And so it should look like this. We have our string as well, but since we are going to paint, we're going to hold off on the string. So now that we have our birdhouse put together, we want to go ahead and start painting. But before we actually start painting, we want to get a piece of paper towel or Bounty and put it on our table. We also want to go ahead and fill up our plastic cups with some water for the paint. And then we want to make sure that our birdhouse is on the paper towel so that we're not getting paint anywhere. So let's go ahead and start painting. Okay, so this is what my finished birdhouse looks like, and the colors that I used to paint it. When I first started painting, the bottom was giving me a little bit of trouble in the sense where it was coming off, but as I was painting, it actually stayed attached and I didn't have to use the glue. So for our last step, we're going to go ahead and put in our string. So in order to put in our string, we actually are going to have to take off one of our sides. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this side out gently and just lay it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my string and go through this side. And then I'm going to take the side back and let it go through. And then I'm just going to connect it back before I pull the string entirely. And now I'm going to pull my string and I'm just going to tie this. You don't have to, but you can. And it looks like this. And so this is what the complete birdhouse looks like. And now we can go ahead and hang it up outside. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.